As we step into the last week of October, Halloween, and much cooler temperature, let's look at a couple of healthy hacks to get you ready for these colder temperatures, flu season, colds, and what have you. So I'm going to share this short slide and show you some products that may help. Okay, the first one that you'll see is, and I have trouble pronouncing this name, is Aciliococcosum, and they are little tubes that you simply open up and put under your tongue. They help you before you get something. If you feel like you're coming down with a cold or the flu or any of those symptoms, this is the product. And you can get it not only right online, but at many of the local drugstores like CVS and Walgreens, etc. Okay, so just a second. And so homeopathy has been around for a long time. Hahnemann Hospital in Philadelphia was named after Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, who created this concept of like heals like. You simply open this little capsule and you put it under your tongue, let it dissolve. No water is with it, just as it is. Best time to do is at bedtime so that it can work with you through the night. And it has been a lifesaver for me on many occasions and others as well. Okay, so just to go back to that slideshow, the second thing is a suggestion for you to try something as simple as Vicks Vapor Rub. Okay, and this time, instead of putting it on your chest, put it on the bottom of your feet because the bottom of your feet hold connections to all the organs in your body, and it'll just move up through your body and help you with your healing process. The other thing I speak about, and I did mention a couple of weeks ago, is these nail brushes are a great way to keep your hands really clean. You just take them in each room that you can, the kitchen, the bathrooms, your work area, shower, everywhere, and apply to your nails when you wash your hands. Easy and fast, and they're very inexpensive. Great way to wash your hands thoroughly. And again, that Vicks Vapor Rub is ancient. We all know about that. The last thing to do is to support your immune system, which we've looked at before with key points. Thymus sits just above the heart at the sternum and manufactures vital T cells to help you fight infection and bacteria that come into the body. Spleen, a great way to help, again, fight infection. That's one of her main jobs, is to help fight infections and to keep your body and your energies, as I said, humming in harmony. One of the main points, spleen 21, is located right under the armpit on the rib cage. So there's a 3-minute video here, but we're just going to look at that for a few moments as we're on this. You're going to come make a fist and you're going to thump right there at that thymus and below it on the spleen. So let me do this full screen. So we're at the thymus above, right there at the sternum. We're right underneath the armpit, right on the rib cage. And spleen is a wonderful meridian. She metabolizes everything for us and does so much. And she's bilateral. So we're going to switch sides and go to the other side and tap spleen. So do this every day or several times a day if you're struggling with something and your body needs some extra help to pull it through whatever is going on. Take a breath and the figure eight. Never, ever underestimate the power of the infinite sign. little figure eights, big figure eights, wherever you need them. So here are a couple of really healthy hacks that you can implement into your life as you get ready for these cooler temperature, as we have said goodbye to summer and we're into the magnificent colors of fall. And after that, headed into the merriment of the holidays and the winter ahead. So thanks for joining me. Elsie Kerns here, your Overwhelm Warrior. If I can help you in your journey, reach out for a 20-minute free chat. Okay, take care. See you next week.